making you do any of this in terms of this way, right? These are all features that are within this software. And remember what I said? This is a really powerful piece of software, isn't it? And
Yeah,
that, and
it
this
really
is
is.
what I'm doing here are the very basics. Okay. There's all kinds of stuff you can do in here that I've never tried, that I don't know that I ever will.
Right.
There's some things, yeah, there's some things I really like
Well, we just want to
about,
get started, and then, like
mhm.
you said, Google is your friend.
We're going to change the parcel, right? So to put this stream in world, you come up here to world, parcel details, found, and then you're just going to paste your stream in here. And that's why you want to have it somewhere handy where you can just copy and paste it in.
Right. And
Minimize that, put that up in there, hit enter, and I'm going to come back to virtual DJ. And I really need to, okay, we're going to, okay, we can do that. All right. And so I'm going to start auto DJ. I'm going to start broadcast. End this, okay? Then what often happens is if they still have this running, there's no stream for it to detect. It will start looping the very last few seconds of the song that it heard, right? The last song that was playing. And it will do that until the person toggles.
okay.
That's why you get that loop,
Oh,
right?
that's why that happens at the end of all of your sets.
Correct.
I got it. Okay. Yeah, you like
Okay.